Welcome folks, my name is Dib and today we're gonna show you this Cardinal. It's a 2019, the 322 DS. Cardinal is known for being, the wide body, of the fifth wheel segment. This is built by Forest River. Really impressive design that they have. It's unique to them. So you can't help but to see the big huge awning right here with LED lights, of course, outside speakers, even a TV mount up here. Really nice storage management. Right here is your shut off. See, you can see the aluminum frame up here. Really nice as we go in. Look at this nice design of steps. Very sturdy, very strong. I like it a lot. No bouncing at all. Come on in, let me show you more. So welcome. This is a very welcoming coach, by the way. Lots of counter space. You can't help it but to see that how easy to reach these cabinets are. Very nice. I like that. More stuff in here as you go. Really nice big pantry. Look at that. It's pretty deep too, so it can fit your stuff in here, no problem. And as we go, look at this sink. Really nice stainless steel. Pretty cool. Nice faucet. I like that one. Very stylish. From stove, oven. Look at that. Really good stuff. More storage as we go in. We got this one here. Pretty nice. Then you have your recliners, which is into the slide, and back here we'll have the couch. Pretty nice. I'm not a tall guy and I can reach this. It's pretty nice to kind of get your storage in order, what have you. More storage as we go through. Look at that. Very nice. Nice TV with a fireplace. Really nice for the ambiance. You got right here your DVD player, radio, what have you. Again, easy to reach cabinets. This is a pretty deep one. Really nice. That would fit a lot of stuff. You can't have enough space. So right here your dinette. Okay, there's two more chairs that comes with it. As we go up here into the bedroom, look at this closet in your way in. Very nice coat closet. Usually they're not that deep. This one's a nice one. As we go into here, into the bedroom, really nice slide. Look at that. More storage as you go into this coach. You got the washer and dryer hookup right there. Pretty cool. They know what they're doing, these guys. Walk around bed. Right here, more storage. You got a TV mount here also, so that comes in handy if you like to watch TV. Really nice bathroom with a enclosed shower. Pretty nice. Some cabinets for again, your towels, what have you. Nice skylight with a fan up there. Pretty cool. Let's go outside and show you more. Yes, so this coach has a little surprise with it. Hopefully this is open. Yeah, unlocked. There you go. Outside kitchen. Pretty good size fridge out here. More storage. Got a hot and cold water, faucet right here. Pretty nice. As we go through the coach here, we go this way. You got a mount here for the spare tire, which makes it easy. It's not underneath. Pretty easier. You got a ladder here, so you can go up there, check for debris, what have you. Who knows? It's recommended to look at that. As we go through here with this big, huge slide, that was our kitchen in here. And on the other side of the basement, right here, we got your outside shower. The whole hub is right here. You don't have to go or figure out anything else. Right here you have one station only. You're good to go with it. Auto level. This coach has a hydraulic auto leveling. Push a button, it sets it up for you. There's a lot to talk about this coach. Please give me a call when you get a chance at 541-515-1237. Thank you.